hope you're doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you love traditional vegetables? That is saga, managu, mito, all those. So saga is the spider plant. Yeah, so today I want to share my recipe on how I make the spider plant. So I hope you get to enjoy the video. Thank you so much for 1900 subscribers. We're almost hitting 2K. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. In that way, you're going to support a girl. So the ingredients for our vegetables, we have the saga itself or the spider plant. We have fresh milk. You can use the one straight from the cow. We have 2 Royco cubes. We have 2 medium onions, and we have 4 tomatoes. So I'm not going to remove the stalks of this saga because it was done at the market by the lady I buy from. If you want to see how I remove the stalks from the vegetables, I'm going to link a video here of different types of African vegetables that I have done the same thing. Please guys, always remember to wash your vegetables thoroughly because some tend to have a lot of soil and the taste of soil is not pleasant in your food. So like mine didn't have a lot of it, so but I did a lot of rinses. So one thing with the African vegetables, they never want a lot of spices. If you want to enjoy them, avoid a lot of artificial spices. Just do Royco if you need a spice. So as you can see, I've used hot water. The reason I've used hot water is to avoid overboiling the African vegetables to prevent discoloration. Also, adding salt to the vegetables while they are boiling prevents discoloration, but not as much as bicarbonate of soda prevents that. So if you have bicarbonate of soda, you can use it. For today I don't have it, so you do a half a teaspoon, or even not a half, you do a quarter a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Very little. If you overdo it, you can't even take those vegetables. They will taste something else. Mommy, so please give the video a thumbs up. It supports the channel. That's the only way you're going to support me, by liking the video and subscribing. Mommy, if you've not. Also, you can share. Mommy, motherhood calls.
You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. Look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like. I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground.
So guys, as you've seen, I've added milk that didn't mix. I just covered and let that boil. Yeah, so I'll add the cubes next.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars.
Mommy, 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 give me a Mboga.
Okay, Mama. Yeah. It's hot. Careful. You see, even the baby likes it.
Yummy.
Yummy. This is flour. I'm from cooking ugali. Guys,
Mine.
please, if you want to share this meal with me, just give a like, and then I might share it with you. So guys, I feel like mentioning this. The saga or the spider plant, there are two types of it. There's one that is bitter and there's one that is not bitter. How do you differentiate the two? The bitter one has minimal stems or stalks, very minimal, but the one that is not bitter has bigger stalks. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Ile iko na ukali inakuanga na stems ndogo ndogo. Yeah, but ile ambayo ni tamu ni ile ambayo iko na stalks kubwa kubwa, vegeti kubwa kubwa. Sasa if you're buying, maybe in our language we call it omonyenye. If you're buying from a Kisii person selling, ask the person to give you omonyenye, because I understand the Kisii ladies are the ones who sell this vegetable most of the time. So whenever you're buying saga, if you discover it's a lady, just say omonyenye. Okay, that's a plug. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.